Even before while invested in us, they put us in front of like top-tier CISOs. During the due diligence process, we felt how it will be to work with YL. We didn't see a differentiation before signing the term sheet and after signing the term sheet.
YL Ventures very quickly, within days, put us in front top leaders, and that team was able both to, I guess, validate the idea, but also provide very valuable feedback. So from day one, even the due diligence portion of it, we were already iterating and learning through these engagements.
YL Ventures help you get that product market fit early on, and in addition, they introduce you to several potential angel investors that can help you and be part of your journey of establishing a company.
Even in the due diligence process, we were already introduced to, I would say, about 10 healthcare CISOs. And with the help of YL, we were able to convert those potential customers to actual customers.
To sit in front of George Kurtz, the CEO and co-founder of CrowdStrike, just for 30 minutes to show him what we're building, and then to have an inbound email from him saying, I want to meet again.
We felt that with YL, since the very beginning, we are part of the VC. They invested at the effort that is needed even before they transferred the money.